students. I am your maths teacher from class nursery. This is your maths book. Open it. Book page number 19. Count, trace the number and color the object. Which number is this? This is number 3. 3 balls. 3 balls. How many balls are there? Count with me. 1, 2, 3. 3 balls. 3 balls. 3 bears. 3 bears. Count with me. 1, 2, 3. 3 bears. 3 bears. 3 jugs. 3 jugs. Count these pictures. 1, 2, 3. 3 jugs. 3 jugs. Now trace the number 3. Start from dot. 3 is round and round. This is number 3. Start from dot. 3 is round and round. This is number 3. 3 balls. How we trace the number 3? Start from dot. 3 is round and round. Start from dot. 3 is round and round. 3 bears. 3 bears. Start from dot. 3 is round and round. This is number 3. Start from dot. 3 is round and round. This is number 3. 3 jugs. 3 jugs. We complete our tracing work. After tracing start, color these pictures. Which color is this? This is pink color. Use pink color in these balls. Use brown color in bears. Slowly color it. Use sky blue color in jugs. Okay student, complete this page. This is your today's work. Allah Hafiz.